Welcome to Mathematics Online Lecture Series, Vector Calculus, lecture number 39, in Vector Integration 19, Gauss Divergence Theorem. Similar problem is solved in lecture number 38. Same similar continuity, but variation is here unit circle, unit sphere. Unit sphere is nothing but x square plus y square plus z square equals to 1. In the previous lecture, a square, here 1. Same similar procedure, same diagram. F equals to similar function also, y square z square I plus z square x square here plus z square y square k. Divergence of f equals to dou by dou x of y square z square dou by dou y of z square x square dou by dou z of z square y square. First value 0, second value 0, third value 2z y square. By Gauss divergence theorem, double integral of f dot n ds equals to triple integral of divergence of f dv over the volume d. Same diagram like our previous question, f dot n ds. Now limits are also same procedure, minus 1 to 1, y is minus root over 1 minus x square to root over 1 minus x square, z is 0 to 1, same a is 1, 0 to root over 1 minus x square minus y square, here 2z y square dz dy dx. First integrate with respect to y. X is minus 1 to 1, y is minus root over 1 minus x square to root over 1 minus x square. Now integration. This is square. 2 into z in y square into z integration is z square by 2. 0 to root over 1 minus x square minus y square dy dx. Now 2 cancel. Integral x is minus 1 to 1, y is minus root over 1 minus x square to root over 1 minus x square, y square into 1 minus x square minus y square dy dx. If you observe, all are even terms, powers are 2, then both this can be written as 2 times of integral 0 to root over 1 minus x square. This is 2 times of 0 to integral x is 0 to 1, y is 0 to root over 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square into y square minus y power 4. Integration dy dx. Integrate with respect to y, and with respect to x. Four into x integral 0 to 1, y square integration is y cube by 3. Y power 4 integration is y power 5 by 5. 0 to root over 1 minus x square dx. 4 into x is 0 to 1, 1 minus x square into 1 minus x square whole power 3 by 2 by 5. Here 1 minus x square whole power 5 by 2 by 5. Sorry, here this is 3, this is 5. Like our previous question. So both are same 5 by 2 times. Now 4 into, here constant term is 1 by 3, here constant term is 1 by 5, integral 0 to 1 minus x square whole power 5 by 2 dx. Now this is 4 into 5 minus 3, 2 by 15. Now integral, very simple, same procedure, put x equals to sin theta, dx equals to cos theta d theta. Now theta is 0 to pi by 2 like our previous question. 1 minus sin square theta whole power 5 by 2 cos theta d theta, dx is cos theta d theta. So 8 by 15 into theta is 0 to pi by 2 cos square theta whole power 5 by 2, nothing but cos power 5 by 2 cos power 5 theta cos theta d theta. So nothing but 8 by 15 into theta is 0 to pi by 2 cos power 6 theta d theta. Same methodology, beta gamma relation, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 2m minus 1 theta cos power 2n minus 1 theta d theta equals to gamma m into gamma n by 2 times of gamma m plus n. Here 2m minus 1 is 0 because there is no sin term, m equals to 1 by 2. 2n minus 1 equals to 6, n equals to 7 by 2. So this is 8 by 15 into gamma 1 by 2 into gamma 7 by 2 by 2 times of gamma 1 by 2 plus 7 by 2. Now 8 by 15 into gamma of is root pi, gamma 7 by 2 is 5 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into root pi by 2 times of gamma 4 is 3 factorial. Here 15 cancel, here 8 cancel, finally the answer is pi by 6 2s are 12. Hence double integral f dot n ds over the surface is equals to pi by 12. If there is any numerical mistake, then correct it, otherwise okay. Now coming to the another question. Now this is a little bit a different question, but not different question, very simple question. Let f equals to axi plus byj plus czk. Divergence of f, dou by dou x of ax plus dou by dou y of by, dou by dou z of cz. Now this is a plus b plus c. By Gauss divergence theorem, double integral of f dot n ds equals to triple integral of divergence of f dv. Okay, over the surface here, yes. Double integral of axi plus byj plus czk dot n ds equals to, what is the divergence value? Triple integral of a plus b plus c into dv. Now triple integral of divergence of v is nothing but volume. What is the volume? Volume of the solid is sphere, volume of the sphere. A plus b plus c into 4 pi by 3, 4/3 pi r cube. R is radius is 1. So answer is 4 pi by 3 into A plus B plus C. Very simple question. Now coming to similar question but different question. Here observe, compute integral ax square plus by square plus ez square ds over the surface of the sphere is given. Here this is f dot n. This is f dot n is given. N is not directly given, f is not directly given. First we will find n. Let phi equals to x square plus y square plus z square minus 1. Del phi equals to I dou phi by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou z. Nothing but 2xi plus 2yj plus 2zk. N equals to del phi by mod del phi equals to 2 times of xi plus yj plus zk equals to 2 divided by square root of x square plus y square plus z square. So 2 cancel, x square plus y square plus z square is given 1. Now listen carefully. Let f dot n equals to ax square plus by square plus cz square integrand. N is known. N f, what is f? f1i plus f2j plus f3k dot product with xi plus yj plus zk equals to ax square plus by square plus cz square. Now this is f1x plus f2y plus f3z equals to ax square plus by square plus cz square. From this one, f1 equals to ax, f2 equals to, sorry, this is y. Now comparing, just compare the middle term and f2 equals to by, f3 equals to cz. Then only you will get this term. So from this one, f equals to axi plus byj plus czk. So remaining part is like previous problem. Divergence of f equals to already discussed in our previous question, a plus b plus c. By Gauss divergence theorem, double integral of f dot n ds over the surface S equals to triple integral of divergence of f dv. So left hand side is double integral of ax square plus by square plus cz square ds equals to triple integral of divergence is a plus b plus c into dv. Nothing, triple integral of dv is v. A plus b plus c, a plus b plus c into volume. What is volume? Volume of the sphere, a plus b plus c into, like our previous question, 4 pi by 3 into radius is 1. So 4 pi by 3 into a plus b plus c. So the rest of the part is like our previous question. Okay. So I will stop here. So up to this Gauss divergence theorem. In the next class we will discuss about another most important theorem, Green's theorem. Thank you very much.